Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Satin Pillowcase. It's received 4.5 out of 5 stars and over 30,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Transform your beauty sleep with a satin pillowcase. Say goodbye to bedhead and skin creases with the luxurious satin pillowcase. Designed to glide smoothly over your hair and skin, this pillowcase reduces friction, preventing tangles, breakage, and morning frizz. Your skin will thank you too. Satin's silky surface minimizes wrinkles and keeps moisture where it belongs, leaving your complexion radiant and refreshed. Experience the difference in waking up to smoother hair and softer skin. Elevate your nightly routine with the ultimate in beauty sleep. Try the satin pillowcase today and wake up looking and feeling your very best every morning. You're worth the investment. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.